Okay. Hi, and welcome, hi. So we are Sisu. We are planning to study some Python. So let's see what we're gonna do, how we're gonna do this. Python. The Python. So learn python3. Let's go. 23 hours. We're gonna do this. I mean, at least I hope so. Okay, welcome. Python is a program language like other languages that gives communication ideas, blah 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 blah. Change code academy to your name. My name Sisu. Run the code and see what it does. Hello and welcome, Sisu. Very nice. I like that. Next. Ironically, the first thing we are going to do is show how to tell computer to ignore a part of. Okay. Lines of text that are ignored by Python interpret during execution. It's the comment is called comment. Okay. Provide context for why something is written the way it is. Lost connection, great. This variable will be used to count the number of times anyone tweets the word pernickly, whatever that means. Help other people reading the code understand it faster. Ignore a line of code and see how a program will run without it. Okay, what should I do now? Documentation is an important step in programming. Write a comment describing the first program you want to write. Sure thing. How do we do this? Like this. And I want to write first. Oh no, I think it's like this, right? No, fuck. Oh no. Where the hell is that? Wait. Huh? Brick, where's that? Oh my goodness, I don't know where it is. Like, where the hell is that? Huh? What the hell, man? Okay, to be honest, I'm kind of confused. But let's see how we're gonna figure it out. Maybe I have to search for it. There it is. I see that. This one. I don't know what's called, but doesn't matter. So got this one, and the first program I want to do is print something. Print my name. That is the first program. Run. Nice. Print. Now you want to you really want to print something. Okay. Print a distinguished greeting. Hello world. No problem. Print. Hello world. Run. Nice. One of the most powerful, versatile programming language today. Upgrade for full access to this course. What? I thought it's free. What? Are you lying to me? Bro, I thought it's free. Bro, they are just They're just scamming me here. Python. In progress. Beginner friendly. But I want free courses, bruh. Introduction to big data. Intro to deep learning. Okay. Advanced functionality. No, I just want a beginner friendly bullshit. Learn Python 2. Should we learn Python 2? Learn Python 2. It is free, right? Not like Python 3. It's because Python 3 is not. That is not free at all, man. I have to pay for that. Man. What the hell? Business intelligence. Build chatbots into Python. Wait. Skill path. So we have to pay for that. Learn Python 2. Start. Because this one is for free. I hope the whole course is for free, but let's see. Maybe it's gonna end midway like the other one. Let's see. I don't even know what the differences are between both of them. Python 3 and Python 2. So hello world is the act of teaching a computer conversation user. Useful first teach the computer how to speak. In Python this is accomplished with the print statement. So prints something. Okay. It's like the other one. I got this. There are two different Python versions. Both Python 2 and 3 are used throughout the globe. The most significant difference between the two is how to use to write a print statement. In Python 3, print has a parenthesis. What the hell is that word? What does that even mean? Well, a word, clause, or sentence inserted as an explanation after the truth. She's coming to our house after work around 6 a.m. Going to visit my grandma, my dad's mom today. Disrupting the flow of the... So parentheses are those brackets.
Parenthesis.
Parentheses. Okay. In this course we will be using Python 2. If you go on to write Python 3, it would be useful to note this key difference. And in 2 there are no... What? What? Now I'm seeing it. What the hell? Okay, that's crazy. Didn't expect that. Okay. That is crazy, bro. I didn't see that at first, but now. Print things in Python. We are supplying a text block that we want to be printed. We want to comment something out again. We can combine multiple strings using plus. While double quotes and single quotes are both acceptable ways to define a string needs to be open and closed by the same type of quote marks. Got it. Okay, hello and bye. Like this. Yes, sir. find AI assistance tailored for you. Okay, thank you. I don't need the AI right now. As we get more familiar with Python, we run into errors and exceptions. These are complaints that Python makes when it doesn't understand what you want it to do. Everyone runs into these issues, so it's a good habit to read and understand them. Here are some common error that we might run into when printing strings. Okay, I can see that. Okay, if the quotes are mismatched, Python will notice this and inform you that your code has an error in its syntax because okay, before we do it. Double quote that was supposed to close the string appeared. The program will abruptly stop running with the following message. Wasn't close with the same quote. Character that started it. Another issue you might run into attempting to create a string without quotes at all. Python treats words not in quotes as commands, like the print statement. If it fails to recognize these words as defined in Python or your program elsewhere, Python will complain the code has a name error. That means that Python found what it thinks is a command but doesn't know what it means because it does not define anywhere. We have written two print statements that will raise errors. One has a mismatch quotes and the other has no quotes at all. Fix the two print statements to successfully debug the program. Fuck you, man. Do it like this, and then like this. I think I just want to see the arrow. EOL while scanning string literal. What is EOL again? Mismatch will notice this and inform you code has an error in syntax because the line ended call EOL. So it's like a syntax mismatch or what? I think so. Syntax mismatch, right? Either syntax mismatch or the name error. Okay, let's go. In Python, and when programming in general, we need to build systems for dealing with data that change over time. That data could be the location of a plane or the time of day. Television show you're currently watching. The only important thing is that it may be different at different times. Python uses variables to define things that are subject to change. Okay, what should I do now? Create a variable called today dates and assign a value that will represent today's date to that variable. Like this. I don't know, 15/11 2011, like this. Run. Oh, today's date. Sorry. No. Oh, I fucked it up again. It is weird to write it without the brackets, you know? Because normally there are brackets. Oh, hell no. This, you know? Okay, now. Okay, whatever. One thing computer cable, blah blah blah, okay. Above, okay. Multiple two numbers together and assign the result to a variable called product. Okay, no problem. multiply two numbers. Then we still have to do this, right? 2. Yeah, that's it. No need no more, bruh. What is a remainder? What is the remainder when 1398 is divided by 11? Save the result in a variable called remainder. Okay. I got this, no problem. Gonna do this very quick. So, and what should I do with that? Rename this one. Oh, fuck you, man. Does remainder have the remainder is divided by 11? I think you mean this one, right? Okay, got it. Changing the content of a variable is one of the essential operation as the flow of the program progresses. Data should be updated to wait a sec, I want to see the remainder. It's 1. Like what? Really? It's really 1? Let me check for that. No way that's 1. Huh? Oh, my math. My math is destroying me again, bro. What the fuck? And how about we do it this? $127. 1. Okay. Oh, let me drink a bit. I need some water here. Need some water. Okay. January to June rainfall. Okay. Changing the content of variables is one of the essential operations. As the flow of the program progresses, data should be updated to reflect changes that have happened. Fish in Clark's Pond. Print catching fish. Number of the fish card is 10. Fish in okay. Updating variable. What is happening here? In the we have 50 local pound after catching 10. We update the number of the fish pound, original number. Okay, pound minus at the end we equal to 40. Okay, locally we have 50 and we are catching fishes, so 10 of them are cards. The hell is local pound, bro? It's like a... I can see, okay. Fish pounds, water guard, okay. Are designed to raise fish, often for consumption or as a hobby. They can range from simple natural dugout areas to more complex, okay. Update a variable by adding or subtracting, okay, what should I do? We are trying to figure out how much it rained in the past year. Update the initial rainfall variable to include the values from September to December. How much it rained. This is the initial rainfall. And variable to include the values from September to December. Okay. Oh hell no, is that not working? Oh whatever, bro. Just gonna take this and okay, this is not happening, fuck. Oh man. Okay, and we're just gonna do this. Print command the annual how the fuck do I pronounce that? Annual. Okay, annual, whatever. Annual rainfall. Annual rainfall. Print. Easy. Next. Most of the time, code should be written in such a way easy to understand on its own. However, if you want to include a piece of information, you should add a comment. Easy enough, I did it before, so we're gonna add a comment. Yes, sir. The comment is Sun Potato's book is better than St. Peter's book. Exactly. That's how you do that. Exactly. But what did they even do in the code? They did nothing. Okay, good. Variables can also hold numeric values. Okay, why you mentioned that? Like floats, okay, int, floats. You can also define a float using scientific notation with E indicating the power of 10. I don't think we need that, bro. You are going to shopping. Let's make a grocery list so that you can plan your budget. Store the number of cucumbers you want to buy in variable called cucumbers. Make sure it is at least one, and that is the appropriate data type. No problem. Cucumbers. It is an int because it's you can only sell cucumbers in a whole. You know, you cannot sell a half of them or a quarter. That's not possible. So we're just gonna go with int. And how many we gonna buy? I think 99 of cucumbers. Don't ask me why, but we're gonna buy 99 of them. And The store doesn't sell particle cucumbers. Exactly, that's what I mentioned. Syntax, invalid syntax. Why? Did I miss something? Script.py. So you don't have to name it, right? Is that it? What? Cucumbers. Okay, you don't have to define the type because Python is detecting it on its own. Right? I don't have to define the type. Each cucumber costs 3.25 double loons. The fuck? Store the price per cucumber in the variable price per cucumber is per cucumber. How much? 3.25. Create a new total price. My friend, total cost, that would be 99 times the 3.25, and we got our cucumber total cucumber. Sorry, I'm back. I don't know why that is ending. I don't know why, but I didn't want it to end, so we're back. Like for 15 minutes, for fuck's sake, bro. Bro, what the hell? Like what? Okay, I'm back, so it's fine. So the issue is product. So technically we have to do this, right? I know what to do. We have to do this. String product. Oh, fuck you, man. What the hell? It's not defined. Maybe this? Oh, I have to write it differently. Like str. Like this. Let's go. Let's go. We are there, man. We are there. Great. So far we are doing good. So far we're doing good. Let me check for something. Okay, well, what do I have to do next? Great. So far we look at the print statement. How to create, modify, and use variables, arithmetic operation like okay. Create a variable skill. Call skill completed. And set it equal to the string hyphen syntax. Okay, run. 1x, create a variable exercises completed equal 13. Create another variable points per exercise equal 5. Create another variable points total 100 point total is the original value plus the result of multiplying. So you mean like this, right? Wait a second. So 13 and so and like this, right? Oh, fuck you, man. $165 to be the original value plus the result of multiplying. What? Update point total to be the original value plus the result of multiplying exercises completed and point. Hey, am I tripping? Bro, 100? Oh no, we have to 13 times 5, 65 and plus 100. So we have to do it, otherwise we have to do it like, just gonna delete this one, plus times 5 like this. Is this also working? Yes. Okay, then just gonna do it like that. Stop with the print. Add a comment above your declaration of here exercise, the amount of points for each exercise may change because points don't, how do I do this, exist yet. Got it. Print a string to the console that says I got. Easy enough. How do I do that again? Point total. Can set the big string again. And say, and add a string. Add a string I got. Man, I don't know, but I'm trying. I don't know if it's working like this. Points. But that would be cool if it works like this, you know? You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna do str points total. Like this. Oh, bro, come on, man. How is this not working? Bro, I asked AI. Why is it not working, bro? Give me the... Come on, give me the right answer. Why the hell is that not working? Make it work. How the hell? You sent 2 messages. You get a new patch Terror Learning Assistant at... Oh, seriously, bro? Start with I got. Okay. Put them together using plus inside the print. Okay, sorry that I'm using something else. So we're just gonna go with that. Okay, sorry. Okay. Let's go with that. Stop the bullshit, bro. And just gonna print that. Did you print? Yes, I'm printing it right now. Big string. Get out of my way, AI. That is useless as hell, man. What brings you to Code Academy? I'm not sure. Learn for fun. Learn for fun because I'm cool. Python is cool. I want to learn that. Tip calculator. with your current plan, you can practice what you learn with 2 free projects. Simultaneous calculator Python syntax. Okay, 1 hour advanced topics in Python exam, conditional strings console. There's so many left. Oh, okay, halftime, I guess. Right? Let's start that. You have one of 2 free projects remaining. What? Bro, this price is diabolical, bro. One of 2 free projects. I don't quite understand that, because I thought that all of this would be free. Right? Am I tripping? Like, bro, I don't want to here like pay a lot for nothing, bro. Like 215 bucks is a lot. Okay, let's get back to the you just finished eating. Wait, what? Just finished eating at a restaurant and received this bill. Cost of the meal. Cost of meal 44.50. Restaurant tax. Tax 6. 5.7555. Tip is 15%. You apply the tip to overall cost of the meal, including tax. Yeah, if we're gonna do this, then we have to divide it to 10, and this one too. Divide it to 10, because it's a percentage. You apply the tip to overall costs of the meal, including tax. First, declare a variable meal and assign it value. Already did it. Let's create a variable of tax percentage. The tax on receive is 6.75%. You have to divide it by 10. Yes, I did it. Tax is set equal to decimal value of 6.75%. Tax. Tip. We have the 3 variables we need to perform our calculation. We know some arithmetic operators that can help us out. We saw in the lesson 1 that we can reassign variables. We could say cache invalid 7, then later change our mind and say cache in wallet 0. Reassign meal to the value of itself plus itself times tax. We are only calculating the cost of meal and tax here. We will add the tip in the next step. Cash invalid. Cash in the wallet, bro. So to pay, is 44.50 plus 44.50 times, oh god damn it, times the tax. Okay, got it. Now that meal has the cost of the food plus tax, create a variable total. Meal plus times tip print total 44.5. What? Oh, that's wrong, bro. That is wrong. We have to say to pay like this, right? I mean, it is not wrong. Bro, I don't need a code review for this one, so I'm fine, bro. I know it is right, so I'm good. I don't need a weekly target, so I'm good. Three. I can do maths. What does the function do? It measures, it converts its content into string. What's the data type of x? The data type of x is Boolean. What is Python? Python markup language, program language, spoken language is crazy, bro. To output a string to the console in Python. Console.log. What the hell? What is console.log language, bro? Which one is a single console.log is C#, right? Console.log is, I think C#, yeah. This one. Man, that's easy, bro. Easy going, man. I know I'm pro gamer, bro. Go from theory to real world projects, practice new skills, connect concepts, or put it all together to create something new. Start free triangle. Skip for now. Okay, I'm good, bro. I just want to continue my Python course, you know what I'm saying? Another useful data type is the string. Contain letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, wait for a second. Let me check for something.